Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sara and I make cleaning videos here on my channel. Today I have another 8-minute instant cleaning motivation video ready for you. A lot of you actually enjoyed those short videos, so I will keep making them as often as I can. Starting in the living room, I will clean the coffee table and straighten the couch before I move to the rest of the room, and I'm using my antibacterial wipes on the table.
And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding.
Now I'm moving to this computer table and I would wipe it down with my homemade cleaner, which is vinegar and baking soda mixed with water. I do most of my editing on this computer now because our laptop is slow and weak, so I really like to keep this space clean and tidy. Now I will clean the space behind the couch. Here we have another table. I used that for studying when I was still in school, but now I don't know if I should throw it away since I don't use it, or I should store it somewhere until I get a better laptop, because I'm sure I will use it for editing. Besides cleaning the table, I will also wipe down the shelf and vacuum.
Time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mess me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drumming round in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 'cause you got me holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding.
Now I will just quickly fold the clothes that are hanging in here and then vacuum the rest of the living room, and then I will move to the kitchen.
Can I hide you without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Going wrong like nonsense, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence without an alibi.
Here in the kitchen, I will wash the dirty dishes before I do anything else. Interesting question for you. Do you do your dishes first when you clean your kitchen, or you start with something else? 9 out of 10 times I start with the dishes because this usually takes the longest, but sometimes I will just put the dishes in the sink and clean the counters and the stovetop first and do the dishes at the end.
Up till dawn, but how can I hide it without an alibi? monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Oh, we're all like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a rebel's fight without an alibi.
For cleaning the stovetop, I will use my Dr. Beckman glass stovetop cleaner, and after I'm done with that, I will wash the rest of the dishes and then I will move to the dining table. I'm so sorry for the yellow lighting in this clip, but it was getting dark outside and I had to turn on the lights, and I guess I didn't set the camera settings right. For cleaning the table, I'm going to be using my Thief Power and Shine all-purpose cleaner and wet cleaning cloth.
Wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain.
Now I will just dry and put away all the dishes that I have on this drying pad on the stovetop, and I will also scrub the sink, and for that I will use our scrub cream cleaner.
When it's over, I will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal.
That is everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and a comment. This really helps me a lot. If you aren't subscribed already, please do. I would love to have you. I hope this video motivated you to do your own cleaning. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!